One of the most important areas of effective financial planning is the calculation of income tax, and this video is designed to provide you with a brief explanation of what allowances you can take advantage of. All the figures are for the current financial year. Let's look first at your personal allowance. You are entitled to £12,500 of income without having to pay tax. Your income can cover lots of different sources, such as earnings from employment or self-employment. Money you receive from pensions and annuities, including the state pension. Some state benefits that are subject to tax, such as job seekers allowance, carers allowance, and most incapacity benefits. Rent and other forms of income you receive from property. And savings and investment income, including dividends and interest. However, people with income over £100,000 will be subject to a reduced personal allowance depending on their adjusted earnings. But not all the money you might receive is classed as income. For example, you don't need to pay income tax on gifts you receive. You can also take advantage of another allowance if you are married or have a civil partner. The marriage allowance lets you transfer £1,250 of your personal allowance to your wife, husband, or civil partner if they earn more than you. The person passing on their allowance must have an income of less than £12,500, and the recipient of the allowance must be a basic rate taxpayer, which means they have an income between £12,500 and £50,000. You can earn £1,000 of tax-free extra income from occasional jobs, such as selling goods online or pet sitting. And you are also allowed £1,000 of interest from your savings each year if you are a basic rate taxpayer. If you are a higher rate taxpayer, you are allowed up to £500 of interest savings without having to pay tax, but additional rate taxpayers lose the allowance altogether. But any interest you receive from savings in an ISA is completely free of tax, no matter how much you earn, so you should consider making use of this tax wrapper. You are entitled to an allowance that covers the first £2,000 of income from dividends arising from shares and other investments. And you can earn an extra £1,000 without paying tax from property-related income, such as renting storage space in your house or your parking space. Where property income is concerned, you are entitled to earn up to £7,500 tax-free with the government's rent-a-room scheme, which is available to homeowners or tenants who let out furnished accommodation to a lodger in their main home. Totalling all these together means a basic rate taxpayer can take advantage of up to £26,250 of allowances before having to pay tax. Beckett Financial Services is a firm of chartered financial planners, and we can help you tackle this area of financial planning. To talk with a consultant, phone 01284 754 500 or email info@beckettinvest.com. Our website is www.beckettinvest.com, and you'll find our social media links there if you would prefer to connect with us in that way.